This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming the device applies brightness compensation automatically during normal use. Look for exposure shifts when you point the camera at bright highlights or dark shadows. Symptoms include washed highlights, crushed shadows, or exposure changing by about 2 stops. Test using a static scene with a gray card and a bright 25% reflective patch. Record a short clip or photo while toggling auto modes to observe compensation behavior. This diagnosis tells you whether to adjust camera settings or disable software correction. Switch to manual exposure and set exposure compensation to 0 EV and ISO 100. Lock auto exposure or enable manual shutter and aperture control to stop shifts. Set shutter speed, aperture, and ISO explicitly. For videos, start at 1/60 and f4. Turn off highlight tone mapping, dynamic range boost, and scene-optimized modes in the camera menu. Disable any post-processing exposure smoothing or HDR that adjusts brightness automatically. Save these settings to a custom. Use an 18% gray card and check the histogram to confirm neutral exposure. Compare results with an external light meter reading and adjust exposure by 1.0 EV if needed for accuracy. Inspect raw images to ensure the camera body is not applying hidden corrections. Update firmware and reset picture profiles if compensation persists after manual settings changes. Test under different lighting and at varied distances to confirm stability across scenes. Document the working manual profile so you can restore consistent brightness reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.